Hello everyone, in this guide, we'll explore the feature of starred messages in WhatsApp, providing you with a simple and effective way to save and manage important content. First, starring messages. To star a message, simply long press on it and tap the star icon that appears. This feature isn't limited to text. You can also star media like videos and images. For accessibility and organization, starring important messages ensure easy accessibility. Users can now keep track of crucial information without scrolling through endless conversations. This includes not only text but also various media types. The other one is saving and managing. To save a message, tap on it and select star. This action categorizes it as important. Additionally, users can manage their starred messages efficiently. And that's it. You've learned how to use starred messages in WhatsApp to mark and organize important content. This feature enhances the overall user experience, allowing for better message management. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to utilize starred messages in your WhatsApp conversations. And bye-bye!